Henny Penny. Say, why, Mommy, why are you bugging me at 5 in the morning? Because I can't sleep. The curtain goes down on another Saturday night. The crowd's got me feeling alright. Pack it up, load it out, drive that long, lonely road, all alone, once again, so it goes. The moon's sitting high, staring me square in the eye, like an old friend who's been by my side. And I can still hear that music playing so sweet, and it's rocking my blues to sleep. Clock keeps on ticking, the lonesome old rhythm, and tired feet start tapping a beat, ba-dum-bum, and I can still hear the music playing so sweet, and it's rocking my blues to sleep. No one to talk to at 5 in the morning, no one to hold me so tight, but I can still hear that music playing so sweet, and it's rocking my blues to sleep. Rocking my blues to sleep. Said it's rocking my blues to sleep. Ba-dum-bum. Say, Mommy, will you go to sleep now?